You found the perfect home and you want to buy it. But how much should you pay for it? In determining a fair price for the home, your realtor will do a comparative market analysis, or CMA, so you can make an informed decision. They will look at the home's condition and amenities compared to similar homes that have sold in the area. They will also take into account other factors, like current market trends. How fast houses are selling. Are there multiple price reductions? Are the sellers motivated? Once you've determined what you're willing to pay for the home, your offer should be in writing in the form of a purchase agreement. The agreement will include the offer price, buyers and sellers' names, the property's address and its identification number, earnest money amount and due date, contingencies for financing, inspection, and appraisal, credits for closing costs or repairs, estimated closing date, list of personal items like appliances, ceiling fans, door openers, etc. And finally, other provisions like waiting until you sell your home or adding on a home warranty. If the offer is accepted and signed by both parties, the document will become a legally binding contract. You are now on your way to owning a new home. If you want to know more about the home buying process, contact me today. My services are free for buyers.